Knock knock. Welcome everybody to Glow by Shruti. So today's video is just for beginners. So beginners, brace yourself up. Here I'm creating a glam look. So starting out with my eyes, which is always the first step. So take a concealer which is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your original skin color and put that all over your eyes just the way I'm doing over here. Make sure that the color is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your original skin tone so that the eyeshadow's colors pop up very nicely. Now take a damp beauty blender and blend the color or the base very nicely over your eyes. Now take any palette you have. Here I'm taking Naked 2 by Urban Decay and I'm taking the lightest shade of the palette, which is almost like a white powdery color. So basically the use is इसको you'll put on your eyes और जो आपने अपना base लगाया था which was the concealer वो थोड़ा set हो जाएगा और creases form नहीं होंगे. So do this step and do not miss on this. Now take a light color and warm your creases up. So if you're a beginner, make sure you're warming up your creases very nicely in this motion just the way I'm doing over here. It has to be a very light color for warming up your creases and not a dark color at all. So just warm up your creases, and after warming up your creases, take a darker shade. Here I'm taking brown because I'm trying to create a brown smoky eyes over here. So I've taken this brown color and I am now putting this all over my eyes, basically under the light color. So like this, outer corners से middle to inner corners के towards आओ and try to make a C. This is or this should be your motion, like try to make a curve and try to make a C so that the color blends very nicely and proper जो colors है वो सारे merge हो जाए, कहीं पे भी stark ना लगे. So this has to be the motion. So just create this look and बहुत ही smoky effect आ जाएगा. Now take any palette you have. Here I'm taking Rimmel London. I'm using the pigments which is amazing in this palette, and I am taking this and putting this on my inner corner. So basically what it does is it pops your eyes up. So जो pigments होते हैं basically हम inner corners में ही डालते हैं. So if you're using this step or doing this method, so definitely put your pigment on your inner corners and you can take your brush to just merge it with the rest of the eyeshadow colors. Make sure कि वो थोड़ा अलग से ना दिखे and your eyes will literally pop up and it will give a very nice like a glam look type to your eyes. So this is how it turned out to be and I hope you guys like it. Now comes the base. So hiding your under eyes and everything, any darkness you have, take a concealer which is 1 to 2 shade darker. Now we are coming to a darker thing. So shade जो 1 to 2 shades darker हो आपके original skin से उस shade के concealer को लेना and put that all over your face जहाँ पर भी आपके problems है. Like I have dark circles and little darkness around my lips and I have little bumps of acne since I am facing acne issues a lot these days. So I'll put this concealer all over the areas where I have problems and it will help me hide that. So now take a damp beauty blender. Make sure your beauty blender is not dry and just merge, tap and just blend your concealer very well. Now take your foundation. Here I'm taking Maybelline Superstay, which is again a very nice buy. So I am putting the foundation all over face and do not miss on your neck. Just do not miss on your neck, वरना discoloration होगा and the makeup will look flop. So take that foundation and put that all over your face. You can use your fingers or brush, whatever suits you. So I always prefer my fingers. Now I'm again blending the foundation very well, not leaving any spots, especially under eyes, area here near my ears and all. Now take a concealer which is again 1 to 2 shades, preferably 2 shades lighter than your original skin, to highlight your areas like under eyes or forehead. So this is a very important step in makeup, so I would definitely suggest you guys not to miss on this. So basically what it does, it will highlight your areas. थोड़ी white वहाँ पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा whiteness आ जाती है because after contouring जो हमारे बाकी के areas हैं वहाँ पे थोड़ी warmth आती है. So just to highlight that area अलग से we use this step. So I'm also dragging it all over my face जहाँ पे मुझे acne bumps or issues लग रहे हैं, because this LA Pro Conceal, this product is amazing and the coverage is bang on. So just put that concealer all over your face just the way I'm doing, especially under your eyes, nose, forehead, cheekbone, chin, everywhere. Now again blend it very well. Blending has to be on point. Blending is the key to the perfect base. Now make a duck face like this and take any bronzer you have. I have here taken the Note Tarot blusher. I guess it is in the shade 02. Make a duck face and take an angular brush, and merge or blend that product, which is a powdery product, upwards, like niche se upar, in this direction, and it will give a very bronzing effect. And take that on your bones, jaw lines, and your forehead as well. So it will bring that warmth back, और face बहुत ज़्यादा white नहीं लगेगा. So you will get that warmth back and थोड़ा contour और shape आ जाएगी. Now I'm taking this Nykaa blush, which is in the like थोड़ा pinky और peachish shade में है, and smile like a clown. Make sure that you're just blending it on the apple of your cheeks only, और ज़्यादा under eyes और बहुत ज़्यादा areas तक ये pinkness ना जाए, otherwise बहुत ही जोकर सा effect लगता है. So बहुत ही normal और बहुत ही light motion में just smile and अपनी apple of the cheeks को इस तरह you'll blush it on, just the way I'm doing right here. So this is how it out to be. Bronzer और blush थोड़ा merge होना चाहिए, but it has to give a very nice effect. Now take a kajal, any kajal you have, and do your under eyes. So if you're a beginner, तो proper eyeshadow से under eye करना still एक task हो सकता है. So instead of that, take the kajal and just blend that and smudge that again and again on your waterline. It will give a very smoky effect, थोड़ा smudged type effect लगेगा, और आई शेडोज के कलर इतने फॉल भी नहीं होंगे. तो उससे बेटर है यू टेक अ काजल एंड जस्ट स्मच दैट ऑल ओवर योर वाटर लाइन लाइक दिस. जस्ट मेक श्योर कि उसे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से आपने स्मच कर दिया है, एंड इट विल गिव अ वेरी नाइस स्मोकी इफेक्ट. नाउ टेक दैट पैलेट अगेन जिससे आपने पिगमेंट्स चूज किया था. यू कैन टेक एनी पैलेट यू वांट, एंड आई एम अगेन हाईलाइटिंग माई वाटर लाइन, inner corners की waterline only, and just dragging it all over, and it will pop my eyes immediately. Just see the effect which it has created. So take that pigment and अपने waterline से थोड़ा inner corner से try to make a half V, and this is how it will look once you'll be done with that. And I just love this thing. So after this is done, what comes next is of course your lipstick. So here I'm taking this Note lipstick, and it is a very peachish shade, and I just love it. It goes right with the mood and the makeup look which we are trying to create over here. So this is how it looks, and I love Note ki lipsticks. The products are very nice actually. So here is a close-up and a clear view of how it looks. And now the brows. Okay, so this is the most important part. Spoolie. Do not miss on your spoolie. Brushing your eyebrows with a spoolie is a must. Now make a arc. जहाँ से eyebrows थोड़ी arc से उठी होती हैं, वहाँ से arc उठा के starting से line खींचो and try to merge that arc and that line. So I have like a huge gap between my eyebrows, sorry. So I take my eyebrow pencil थोड़ा आगे तक, but you can avoid that since if you do not have that much gap in your eyebrows. So just again make sure you are brushing up your eyebrows with the spoolie again and again. जो भी आप product use करे वो stark नहीं होगा. So just make an arc, join the lines, and then you're done. Now comes the highlighting part, which is my favorite thing. So take any highlighter you like. I am using the Nykaa one over here. So I have basically used a very under budget products over here. Since you're a beginner, I know that people would not want to invest that much into the makeup. So I guess under budget products use करना ही सही रहेगा. I should have used a bigger brush over here. So never mind. Just make sure you're highlighting your brow bone. You are highlighting your areas like nose, your cheeks, and of course your lip line. Just that curve you have. Oh, thank God I've used a bigger brush now. So just dab this all over your face. Dab this nicely, the highlighter. It will give a very nice sheen. And I am just loving how this video is turning out to be. I hope you guys are enjoying too. Now comes the mascara, which is the most important part. Make sure पहले downwards motion में फिर upwards motion में mascara apply करना. If guys you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, press the bell icon, and share as much as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you actually learned something. Stay tuned for more such videos and tutorials. I promise I won't disappoint you. Thank you.